Hi, this is Nikunj Ratnaparkhi. So, as a final project in this semester, we have developed a web application based on JQuery technologies, and this web application provides a common platform to universities and students. So, students can search for their colleagues, students can search for different universities, they can go ahead and apply to different universities, and they can receive various confirmation emails and SMS using this web application. On the same hand, universities can also do the same thing, and they can find out different students. So I have created an account with my credentials, and let's get go ahead with by logging with this account. So password is okay. Before showcasing this functionality, I would like to showcase one more functionality that this web application has been developed using Bootstrap. So we have made this application responsive to any kind of device. So let's say if I go ahead and shrink the size of screen to, let's say, tablet size, so you can see the change in behavior. Then again, if I go ahead and shrink further to the mobile size, you can see a menu here. So it works like a mobile app now. So this application can work with equal efficiency on all the devices. So now go ahead with this credential, my credential. So if I click on the login button, it will bring me to my profile page. So here I can verify various details, my academic details, and so on and so forth. So we can update these details as well. So if I go ahead and click on update profile button, and yeah, so here we can change details. So let's say if I change my school name from KV India to KV USA, and click on update button, so it will give me a message that profile has been updated, and yes, it's KV USA now. So there are more functionalities as well. The way we search for, okay, so we can search for different students here as well. So if I go with the default search criteria and click on search button, it will bring the profile of all the users which are registered in this web application. So I can go ahead and click on anyone's detail, and yes, I can see various information about the student. So again, I can see the student as well. So I can click on the name and I can see the different details of the student. So let's go back here and go to my profile page. Now if I want to search for different universities the way I search different students, I can go ahead and click on search the university link here, drop down link. So here we can see that there are two states, Massachusetts and Illinois. The reason is few universities which are registered in our web application are from Massachusetts and few are from Illinois. So we can search the universities based on the state. So let's go ahead and search for Illinois state. So it will bring me the results of universities which are there in the Illinois state and registered in our web application. So if I click on Illinois State University, I can see various details. What are the fee structure, acceptance rate, scholarship rate of Illinois State University. So this is pretty much about it. And now if I want to, let's say, apply to the university, so this drop down will again bring the names of university which are registered in the linked view web application, and I can go ahead and apply to any university, let's say Illinois State University, and click on proceed button. So it will bring me to the university specific page. We have used Google Maps web services here. So I can go ahead and register. I can click on upload the resume button, and let's say if I upload my resume here, yeah, and if I click on upload button, it will give me a message that your resume has been uploaded successfully, and I can verify whether the uploaded resume is correct or not. So let's see. Yes, the same resume has been downloaded which I uploaded a second before. So I can enter my SOP, statement of purpose. For registration, I can enter the email addresses of various recommendators who are there for me. And once I click on apply button, the automatic email will be triggered to all the recommendations who are there in my profile. So let's click on apply button here, and yes, it is saying that your application has been saved in database and recommendation mails have been triggered. So I can verify this thing, yes. So I have received, I mean, this person has received the recommendation mail from Illinois State University. Okay. So let's go ahead on the profile page again. Now we have more functionalities like schedule an appointment. So here I can schedule an appointment with the university professionals. So if I want to schedule an appointment with Illinois State University on 4th of December, which is Thursday, and let's check this time slot. Now our Ajax is saying that this time slot is not available, so let's try a different time slot and check for the availability. Yes, this time slot is available now. So I can book the appointment here with the university's professional, and I can get further details here. So let's book the slot. Yes, the congratulations, your appointment has been booked. And one more thing, the SMS will be triggered here. So we'll showcase these functionalities later as well. And yes, there's one more functionalities like a functionality which is compare university. So I can compare two different university and check whether which university is good for my budget and for my profile. So any student can do that. So here we can compare the admission criteria, fee structure of Illinois State University and Purdue University, and we can get basic details of these two universities. So this is pretty much about perspective of our web application from students' point of view. And uh, let's go ahead and register a new student here. So let's say I want to register a profile of Tom Cruise in my web application. So let's select the profile pic of Tom Cruise and upload it. It will take a moment, and yes, it's there. So here we can create the profile of Tom Cruise. Let's see. Okay, and let's enter the email address of Tom Cruise. Let's enter a valid email address so that we can verify whether the profile has been successfully created or not. Yep. Password. Date, any random date of birth, and phone number, any random here. So let's go ahead and click on next button, and let's see the name of school of Tom Cruise is KV Mumbai, then 4 GPA, 35 score, and he wants to apply Illinois State University and MIT in CS branch. His extracurricular activity is acting, and the awards are, let's say, any random IFA award, and the sports is soccer. So let's click on submit button. Here we can see the message that congratulations, his profile has been created, and we can verify his profile creation information on the registered email address as well. So for that we need to log out. So we can check it later as well in forget password functionality. So let's say if I want to log in with the credentials of Tom Cruise into the web application, and if I enter the email address of Tom Cruise, oops, sorry, the correct email address is this one. And if I let's say I enter wrong password, any random password, and click on login button, it will give me an error message that incorrect credentials. So if I want to recover the password, let's click on forget link and click on and enter the correct email address which was there. Entered, yeah, and click on submit button. Before that, let's open the email mailbox so that we can check the newly popped up email. Okay, and click on submit button. Yep, your password has been sent to the registered email address. We can check, yes, the password is here, Tom ABC. So we have recovered the password of Tom Cruise here. So in the similar way we can click on sign up university, and we can go ahead and sign up for different universities. So this is pretty much same as we registered for the students, so I will not go with this functionality right now. And let's yeah, there is one more functionality. If I log in with the credential of any university, and a university representative wants to check which students have applied to their university. So they can log in into their account, and they can click on more uh, link here, and they can check the number of applicants. So here he can see that only one student has applied to university, and they can check the details as well. So this is pretty much about our application from university perspective. So let's say if I try to log in with my credential again, here I would like to showcase one more functionality. If I want to get more information about any university, I can go to the proceed to university, and go ahead down here and click on request for more information from Purdue University in the theater and music department. So it is giving me the message that more information has been requested, and I can check my D drive here, and check the XML file has been generated, in which the more information about a student is generated, and this information can be utilized by university for various purposes. So this is request for more information functionality. So let's log out from this application now. So we have created one more functionality where if we schedule an appointment with the university, an SMS can be triggered to the uh, mobile number of that student, and uh, for that I need to create an account, or there is one better way. Yes, I can update the mobile number of any student. So let's log in with my credentials only, and click on login button, and let's update my mobile number here. Yeah, and so
Can anyone share their mobile number if you have AT&T network, because ISU web service supports only few of carriers.
You can do mine. 773 213 0753.
So 0753. Is it correct?
okay, and let's go ahead and click on update profile button. Profile has been updated, and if I go to schedule an appointment, and let's say I want to schedule an appointment with Illinois State University, no, Purdue University this time, and on 4th of December, on this time slot, no, Ajax is denying us. Now 1:30, yeah, this available books the slot here. Thanks to ISU web service in this case. So this is pretty much about the various functionalities which we have covered in our project, and this is Spatial Showcase University. So we have used the Bootstrap carousel here to showcase different images of university, and this is our team. These are the developers which took a lot of efforts to develop the web application, and this is pretty much about the linked view, which is based on JEE platform. Thank you.